Begin by using your trim removal tool to lift the shifter surround from the panel. Slip the tool under the bezel, red arrow, and gently lift up. It's just held in by pressure clips and will pop out. Turn it over and remove the electrical connectors, red arrow. Lift up the leather boot and turn the knob, red arrow, on the base of the shifter. With the shifter loose, simply grasp it and pull it straight up and off the shift rod, red arrow. Open the ashtray and use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the front of the shifter plate, red arrows. With the front unclipped, lift it up and out of the console. Slide the cup holder cover all the way open and pop up the cup holder. Remove the pad on the bottom of the cup holder section of the console as indicated by the yellow arrow. Grasp the cup holder firmly, red arrow, between both hands and wiggle it back and forth to the front of the rear of the car while pulling gently upwards until the holder pops out. Turn the holder counterclockwise and remove it from the console. The cigarette lighter is held in place by two clips. Release the clips, yellow arrow, and swing the unit down into the cup holder area. You can now slide the cup holder cover forward and out from the console, yellow arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.